Let's talk about Moldavite. This is Moldavite. It is a very rare type of gemstone only found in a very small area in Germany. Specifically, it is found in the Nördlinger Ries impact crater. And Germans, let me know if I said that properly. That impact crater in specific from a meteorite, and that is what formed this incredibly rare Moldavite. Moldavite is classified as a tektite, which is basically a type of gemstone glass that is formed by a meteor impact. Moldavite in specific has a green, olive, yellow color and is, again, quite rare. Now, the impact crater itself is in Germany, but since it was such a large impact, the material ejected was strewn pretty much everywhere, so Moldavite is found mostly in Germany, but also in Austria and the Czech Republic. The impact was a long 15 million years ago, so not recent at all, but you can still find and mine Moldavite in that area. It's made up of largely silica oxides, and aluminum oxides in kind of different concentrations depending on the specific gemstone itself. Now, Moldavite has been used for many thousands of years historically to make like arrowheads and other knapped tools in a similar way that obsidian, another type of glass that is much more common and formed by volcanoes instead of meteor impacts, was used to make things like arrowheads and spearheads. Now, modernly, Moldavite has very few actual uses and is pretty much only used in jewelry making as a gemstone or gemstone collecting and occasionally crystal healing. However, since it is quite rare, it is very, very expensive, and there is quite a lot of fake Moldavite that exists out on the internet for people to buy if they don't know the difference between real and fake Moldavite. Real Moldavite can be very easily identified by the very unique texture and things called schlieren, which are streaks in the thing that gives them, again, that texture. Most fake Moldavite is just green glass, and it doesn't have those natural looking schlieren and is kind of more artificially textured and can contain air bubbles and cracks and things like that. And actually, looking at it now, this image I used may actually be fake Moldavite, because it doesn't have quite as distinct a texture. I'm not entirely sure, I'm not an expert on gemstone grading and verification, but this one might actually be fake. Oops. So, if you are looking to buy Moldavite for jewelry or just to have, make sure it's real, because a lot of it is fake out there.